You're probably wondering how we end up here, huh? Let's be why.
Okay. So basically, this is okay, you guys. So this is what my noodles is looking like. This is what my noodles is looking like. Oh shit! So I decided to add my sweet chili oil to it. Definitely good. You really can't tell that it's Buldak. You would think this is like some macaroni and cheese noodles or something. Like, yeah. Yep. Little tic-tac did it again. What's that? Now we're gonna add the seafood to it. Oh wow. Y'all, they big one. We got some sausages. Got some jumbo shrimp. Oh my God. Oh my God. It'd definitely be a kicker. Definitely be the kicker. And I ain't gonna lie, since I got a half a pound, everything is half. I really feel like pouring my noodles in there, y'all. Cause I ain't never had it like that with the noodles pulled into it. I want to get all the flavors from everything. Oh. Mixing the noodles with the shrimp. Okay. Okay, y'all. So, I ain't gonna lie. That's definitely hidden. And where is it? My cousin's good. Woo. That is hot. Excuse me. Woo. Oh shit, that's hot. Oh my fucking God. Oh my God. Woo. It would definitely be the kicker for me. It definitely be the kicker. I can't believe this was like $20 though, y'all. Half a pound. I know you lie. Ain't no way in here this is. I ain't gonna lie. Whoever said Buldak noodles with the shrimp. Yeah. Yeah, this definitely was a 10 out of 10. Definitely. I don't know if it's hot because of the seafood, or I'm hot because it's hot in my apartment, or it's hot because whew. Whew. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This definitely is almost gone. But the Buldak noodles, I don't know how. This definitely, whew. This definitely is a different type of sweet chili, Cajun. What is it? Louisiana rub. Definitely a different type of. Yeah, I'm cool. And that's because I don't feel good, so I'm really full. Hopefully this is helping me with my fever that I do have. It's a little, I hate being sick in the wintertime. I don't know, for some odd reason, I'm always sick in the summertime. It could be the beginning of spring, baby, I'm sick. It could be the first day of summer, baby, I'm sick. What? But any other time, I'm normal, I'm not sick, not got nothing going on. But soon as like the summertime begin, I'm sick. When the wintertime begin, I'm sick. Just don't even know sense. But how was y'all Thanksgiving though? I know I'm late to the party, but how was everyone Thanksgiving? Because I was right here. I had to work at both of my jobs for Thanksgiving, y'all. But people be asking me, why you don't ever cook Thanksgiving? Because I kid you not, every job I ever work at around Thanksgiving and Christmas, I'm always working on Christmas Day, Thanksgiving Day. New Year's Day. Sweetest Day. Valentine's Day. Sometimes my birthday day. Like, bro. So, whew, that's sweet chili, baby. Sweet chili, sweet chili. That sweet chili is definitely getting in my nose. But, yeah, Thanksgiving, I was like really working both of my jobs Thanksgiving, so my peoples actually made me a plate and brought it to my job. That was good for me. But I don't know. I don't be mad sometimes though. Sometimes I don't be mad and working on holidays because, again, like I said, especially once October hit and it like once Halloween passed, baby, you know for a fact that you got to start stacking all your little bread because Thanksgiving coming. Whew. Thanksgiving be coming, Christmas be coming, New Year's Eve. And it's like once one holiday pass, baby, you gotta get prepared and ready for the rest of the holidays. And they be coming back to back. I don't know about y'all, but for me, they be coming back to back. I'm like, dang, did we just celebrate? Did we just celebrate Halloween? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. So where I'm looking to move right now, because I definitely gotta find me like an escape plan, where I'm thinking about moving to right now. I don't know. I just feel like it gotta be hot there. Definitely gotta be hot there. Like it can't be. It gotta be hot there. It's definitely getting down on my nose though. But whoo! Oh shit. Yeah, it definitely gotta be hot there, yo, guys. I really feel like the whole world should be able to have 2 or 3 houses. So, if you got a house in Chicago, you should be able to have a house in whatever part of the world where you want them. I feel like you got a job or you got a stable income coming in, you should be able to have a house in every state and in every city you want to live in. Sure, that means that y'all would be put in, you know, what's the place called? Airbnb, y'all probably putting them out of money, but as far as it goes, I feel like y'all should be able to have a house in Utah, Baton, Louisiana, Mississippi. Whew. Yeah, my mouth is burning. Whew. Whew. Yeah, my mouth burning up full. Excuse me. Yeah, that was a nice little, you feel me? Like, I think it was $18. It was just $18 for just the shrimp. But I decided to add in like add-on, which is the sausage. I think the sausage was like $2 and some change. So it made it come up to $20.20. Excuse me. Whew. What else? And then the noodles. A pack of noodles was like $2.99. So that was about a good maybe 22, 23, 24, 20, 20. Maybe like a good $23, if I'm not mistaken. Hey, if I ain't do the math right, baby, you got a phone, got a calculator, type it up. But y'all, only thing I got left over would be two sausage. Oh snap! I really don't really like getting this on my hand though, y'all. So what I got left, you guys, are 2 shrimp. Nine times out of 10, I might fold it up and put them little 2 shrimps up in there. Or I might wait until my food digests a little bit and me eat the last 2. Because them shrimps are too good for you to just throw them away. So I might just do that. But you guys, that is it for this video. That is pretty much it. I'm trying to see if these onions. Oh, ginger. Not a garden. It might, my intro might not always be the same going off, but it might be the same coming on. You know what I'm saying? Because I want to be able to spread love, spread the positivity. You know, because again, you never know who's watching this video. Somebody might be watching this video sitting there mad, sad, depressed, hurt, and everything else. And they just watched me eat a whole seafood boil, and I probably just made their day. Or they probably sitting over there trying to figure out, damn, what should I eat? And I only got like $23. Me just making this meal and going to get the, like, you hear me? Excuse me. So you just never know what a person is going through over there. For the people that's watching, I'm going to put this down below of what's the name of this seafood place, because it's not Angry Crab and it's not Cajun Boil. It is definitely Mad Boil. And it's located downtown Chicago if you guys ever want to go and see. It got a nice little setting, everything. I didn't get a chance to record everything that was going on in the restaurant because there's a lot of people up in the restaurant. And you know, a lot of people do not like being recorded, nor while they eating, or just being in a comfort zone and you just coming up with a camera all in their face. So a lot of times, people don't like that. So I understand that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here because 9 times out of 10, my friend have definitely been trying to figure out where the hell I'm at. But remember what I told you guys. Love you. Bye.